taken delivery today of the wind deflectors for the Ford Custom. These have come from Auto Clover. I'm going to unbox them now, see what's in there, look at the instructions, and we will have a go at fitting them. So here we have the Auto Clover box with the wind deflectors inside. I do like the important product information, and obviously aimed at men, me included, about reading the instructions carefully before proceeding. So we've got some instructions. We've got a surface wipe, which will be for the frame, which we'll have to do both sides, and then inside we have the wind deflector, and it's got some 3M tape on the back. So I'm just going to offer this up just to see how it looks, and then I'm going to prep this with some panel wipe and then use the 3M, and then hopefully it'll be dry enough to stick on. So we've got the deflector for the passenger side. I'm just going to take it out of its protective wrapper and just offer it up so that we can see what it looks like against the van. Going to have to be careful when we come to stitch it on to make sure that we get the right gaps. But I think that looks good, like that. So we're going to prep the surface and then we will apply this. Having read the instructions, fall on a couple of hurdles. The first being apply to a clean, dry vehicle. It's clean, but it's certainly not dry. And the most effective temperature range to fit it is between 20 to 40 degrees, and it certainly isn't that at the moment. So we'll come back later and have a go at doing it. Welcome back to today's episode where we're going to fit the Auto Clover wind deflectors. As per my previous bit, you will have seen that when I tried to do it yesterday it poured with rain, and reading the instructions said not to do it when it was wet and also cold. So hopefully today we're going to have a better chance of doing it correctly. This is the wind deflector that's going to go on the passenger side. It's got a little bit of a raised section in here. I'm not sure if you can see that. There's a raised section in here which corresponds to the outline of the wind mirror trim. I'm just going to offer this up before I finish off the panel wiping, and then take the protective cover off the sticky tape before I apply it. I'm just going to offer it up so I know where it's going to go when we come to apply it properly. So it will look something like that. See that? That's the dirt that's just come off there. there you go. As you can see, that is a really easy job to do. Now we're going to go and do the other side. Here is the driver's side now installed. Apologies, but the video didn't come out very well for us putting the driver's side one because the camera decided it was going to droop, so just filmed the door panel and nothing else. I think that looks quite good. That was a really easy job putting those on. Took 10 minutes. Just got to clean all of the metal up very carefully and make sure that it's nice and clean, and then stick them on. You do have sort of one chance to get them on properly, so make sure that you're happy with where they're going to go before you properly stick them on. Now that they're on, you have to leave them for 12 hours, it says, for the glue to adhere correctly, and then not to get it wet with or drive above 60 miles an hour for the first 24 hours. I'm not going to be doing any of that, so that will be absolutely fine. I'm going to take it out for a drive tomorrow, so I'll go to Ford for a recall. So I'm going to drive to Ford tomorrow, and then I'll give you some feedback on if they actually make any difference or not. Thank you for watching.